Welcome to the world of Jones Nose. We have a staircase nightmare on our hands, and I'm hoping with some modern stair nose, they might be able to save the day. Today on Jones Nose.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Today we're out on a staircase disaster. My client hired the wrong person to do our stairs. They never came back, they didn't finish the job, and they left her with everything done the wrong way. So now we have to go in, we have to get the staircase taken apart, put together the correct way. We have to tweak a few things because it wasn't done right the first time, but we'll make it work and we're gonna figure this out. So without any further ado, let's get started. Ready to have a new staircase?
Yeah. I've been so busy, I can't even explain, I'm just exhausted.
I know.
I teach, I'm a teacher, so I'm teaching.
Oh, wow. So how does that work out?
So much work. Oh.
I bet, huh? That's not good. So I see this a lot, unfortunately. You have an open staircase like this, and you hire someone that's not a stair guy or a flooring guy in general, and he runs the flooring to the sides of the steps and thinks that they're just gonna make something in the flooring world that covers sides of this tread. Well, they don't. This has to be laid out and done the right way. So could we have put some type of stair nose on this? Probably, if we'd done it right the first time, if you really wanted to, but the easiest way to finish the staircase, and what I do all the time, is a stringer right over the side. The idea is that you just want to cover the side of the staircase, and then once you got that side covered, and only once you have that stringer put on, and then you do the steps and risers, because you want to have something to run it into. We're doing it the way because we're not going to rip up all these steps that this first contractor installed. So we'll end up having to caulk the edges or whatever, but there's nothing we can do about it. Unfortunately, you know, that's what happens when you hire the wrong person. Luckily, we're able to save all this wood because she can't get it anymore, and she has this wood throughout the top half of the house. So, unfortunately, we have to make do with what we have and figure out what is going to look the best. We got the first two pieces in. I think it looks like $1 million. Oh wow, you got it over here already in too? Here she is, she's looking really good. Hunter went all out with the new stringers. They look really, really good. They're covering the sides to all their steps that were open before perfectly. When she gets these things painted and caulked, they'll really look amazing. Today I want to discuss options for white risers. Now, you know, if you've seen a lot of my videos, I'm always talking about no paint white risers. I love the no paint white risers. I use them on all my staircase. It's actually a glacier white laminate, a pure white laminate. So I know that the glacier white is hard to get in other parts of the country. Lately, it's even hard to get here. My distributor's been out of stock for the past couple weeks, and they're not getting into the end of the month, and we have staircases to do, and people that can't wait, they want their staircases done. So today I'm going to show you a second option for no paint white risers, and it is, when I show the top, it's going to give away what it is. It is melamine board. So we're using basically cabinet board here. It's perfectly smooth. If it gets dirty, you just clean it off, so it's maintenance free. Gives you that pure white look. And it actually looks really nice on risers. I've used to use it on risers before I discovered the glacier white for customers that didn't want to paint and didn't want maintenance. So this would be second option. And I will go ahead and drop a link in the description below for the melamine board. It's, like I said, a great option if you're looking to do a no paint white riser and you cannot get the glacier white or something else that you like. It's easy to install, and it gives you actually a lot of support, any nosing or anything that sits on top of it, because it's really wide, so it'll definitely increase the stability of your staircase as well. See, what we're doing here is putting our piece right up to the top. Because we're using a large silver cap on these stairs, we just want to run it flush. Put a furring strip down here to build the bottom out, so now it is straight. We'll put some liquid nails at the bottom, and then I'll pop a couple nails right here underneath where the silver cap is. You won't see those nail holes. It would be nice to keep this one. That's why you normally do the solid treads here, but now we're just going to do the silver cap to dress it up. So now along the way here in doing this is the modern stair nose that we're working with. I discovered something truly amazing, and I want to use in a staircase in the future, and you're not going to believe this. We can take these modern stair nose in combination with this Formica board here. If we leave the tongue right at the edge of it, flush mount, and they fit perfectly. Just couldn't do it here because my next step, we have a huge gap because they didn't go far enough. Every other step they didn't go far enough, and we don't have enough wood. So unfortunately I would have loved to go that route, but we had to trade these in for some bigger aluminum stair nose. We're going the next size up. This was 1 inch. We're switching to 1.5 inches. I think you'll see the difference. It'll cover this. Might even cover these nail holes and all the other imperfections. It's a shame we couldn't use this. It would have fit so nicely, but it just wouldn't have worked on all the steps. So let's get it done. But these 1.5s really do look really sharp. They look nice. I'm really excited about them. I think they look amazing. If you want to see more information about silver caps, how we cut them, how we use them in front of doors and other applications, be sure to check out my secret molding video as well. So getting back to our job here though, when we're installing one of these silver caps or any kind of silver caps, it's just a matter of using the construction adhesive. Now I'm using one of the best ones here, the Sika, and it really holds. This is one of the strongest pieces that you can get. In comparison, a tube like this in the liquid nails or construction adhesive would run about $6 to $8. This runs about $20. And if you know, in this world, you get what you pay for. Most of the time. Yeah, 70% of the time, right? If you're a good shopper, at least. When we cut these silver caps, let's show you how we do it on a chop saw. And this chop saw has a metal blade on it. $20. The 1 inch, $10. Yeah, fraction of the price. With all that upside on look. I got it to where this staircase is passable and accessible and it looks really nice. 1 year my customer waited to get the stairs done because she couldn't get anybody to come out here to do a staircase that someone else started. A lot of people won't do that. I feel for people. I hate saying no, and I'm always up for a challenge. So that's where we're at. We got this one done. I think it looks good. Let's roll it and show you the final job. So here we go. This is it. You saw what we started with? We had a staircase that was open, exposed, felt naked, felt incomplete. And we made it whole again. Well, whole again for the first time. We gave it a facelift. We completed the job. We did what others couldn't. And I think I'm proud to say that this is one of our jobs. Did I start it? No. Would I have done things differently? Yes. Am I happy with how it came out though? I certainly am. I love it. I think it looks great. I think the stringers that Hunter came up with to cover the other guy's mistakes came out really good. Obviously they need to be painted. We don't paint. We don't even caulk anymore most of the time. But this covered everything, all those mistakes on the side, up there, and then we did the same thing over here. We covered everything. We came around this side here, and we even removed the TV and reinstalled the TV on the new stringer behind it. That's the staircase. And that's all she wrote, folks.
Okay, thank you so much. You were excellent.
Thank you. We try.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. It was a long time. I've been waiting to do this. I can't believe it's done, actually.
Nice,
Thank
right?
you for having, yeah, very nice.
Nice to have it done. Let me take a
yeah.
picture. Yeah, it's so nice to see it complete. I remember when I came in here, I was like, oh my gosh, the staircase needs so much help.
Boy, did I call the right person.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, bye.
Thank you and your family.
Oh, you too. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Getting down to my favorite part of the job, the money. Money, money, money. No. You know, in a situation like this, you feel bad for someone. At the end of the day, you still have to make a living. We charge $1,500 to do this. I anticipated the job taking 1 day. We ended up taking almost 3 days for it because we got rained out one day, and then we had a hard time finding the stair nose, another one. Probably should have charged more, but at the end of the day, I made a customer happy, and I got another YouTube video done, and that counts a lot. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.